Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluorescents Studio. That's a 10 by 10 inch canvas with some Amsterdam Black mixed with Floetrol and GAC 800 on it. I'm going to spread a seemingly copious layer, maybe not that much, because I'm going to use a puddle underneath my colors. I tried to convince myself to do a bloom with regular house paint, but I just couldn't do it. So I'm going to do this instead. I'm temporarily so enamored of swiping I have to call myself addicted. It looks like I might have a little more Floetrol in this mix than I imagined, because it's looking a little thin around the edges, but I will find a way to work with it. Alright, so I'm going to use Poinsettia. I'm a Colourarte affiliate. You can always find a 20% off Colourarte coupon code. You know what? I need more paint than that. Ouch. I pinched myself in the lid. Sorry about the marble. This is Poinsettia. This is Sour Lemon with Orange Crush. Somebody's leaving me messages. This is Alizerine Rose. That was some Prizm Porous both. Alizerine Rose is a Vivid Intense. This is Blue Flame. I think it's a Primary Element. Pardon my painty hands. I've been having way too much fun. And I'm going to finish up, I thought with fluorescent. No, I'm going to finish up, I'm going to use the Red Violet that has Golden Diamonds Primary Element in it. Red Violet's a Vivid Intense fluorescent, and then hit it last with the fluorescent pink, which all looks like too much paint. Again, I'm just not used to using such small canvases. That's my excuse, and I'm sticking with it. I'm going to use a very short palette knife, hopefully, and a scrape dish. Alright, I need to, it goes on the right. Gotta check every time. And I want that out of the way. I am going to just take my paint, put it right in that scrape dish. And I'm wondering what I'm missing, and I think it's the saffron. And it might be Chantilly lace. So let's just change things up a little. And I'm going to use some white cell activator too. Back to the black. I'm not sure about any of this. But I am sure I have enough experience so that if I'm required to try and fix something, I have a halfway decent shot at it. Black in the center. White on either side. Well, that's interesting. I've got a center. No idea what to do with it, but I think I can find myself an edge catcher. Do a little tipping. I'm glad I put that orange in there. I don't see a lot of it, but I'm still glad I put it in there. I'm a little nervous about that black in the center taking over. I think that's cell activator. What can I do with that? Actually, it's not cell activator, is it? So, Alizerine Rose, Red Violet, Indigo Violet, oh excuse me, yeah, Indigo Violet, and Saffron. Good thing I use GAC 800. And Amsterdam White Cell Activator. That's interesting. Makes me want to just keep everything I've got. Someday, again soon, I'm going to have to do some scoop and drags. I like that odd shape in the center a lot. I could very easily risk leaving this Alright, that's going to be cool. And I've got handholds on all sides until I'm just going to keep using that paint. Actually, I'm going to let it tip again. My extra off. Oh, I've got one thumb hole left and I've got two sides that need to be covered. And I want all that to go that way because I love this weird thing. And I've got plenty of paint to touch up if I need to. Of course, we know that about me. And I'm painty. It's a very painty day for me today. And hopefully, I moved enough paint so that it would dry without cracks. And I'm sure that that's cool. Well, while I'm messing around trying to do one thing and the other thing is turning out, I'm rinsing my hands off because I'm so painty. And I really don't want to take a chance on dropping a painting just because I'm slippery. Cover up that fingerprint. Cover up any fingerprints. Got plenty of paint to cover any little indiscretions. Pretty sure everything's going to just drip down perfectly. That's covered. That's covered. That's covered. I could probably blow this. And if I can't, that's fine too. Alright, so I'm going to quick like a bunny torch. My paint pouring recipes are underneath Show More. Also, you'll find a Colourarte coupon code and a Pixel Paint Designs coupon code. Pixel Paint Designs is 10% off Aussie Floetrol and Pebeo paints and Boom Gel and other things that are worth finding there. This is way cool. I'm very happy with this. And I don't mind it a bunch of different directions, but I think I like it. If I share it with you, if I don't turn my video around in editing, this is the way, the top that I like. So what can I tell you? Please give me a thumbs up. Share my videos if you're of a mind to. I really appreciate the help. My email address is easpb in the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire about purchasing an artwork or taking a class with me privately one-on-one at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I think I mentioned, but I'll say again, my paint pouring recipes are under Show More. If you need to ask questions about paint pouring recipes, please feel free. I have everything copied, ready for copy and paste. My community board will show you tomorrow's video at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time if it's the same time it's been recently. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My 2 books are on the Amazon link because they can in unlimited possibilities. They're the first and the second 100 videos I made about paint pouring on YouTube. And if I've got any more of that little space around there, I'm just going to dab some paint in. That was probably not good. Nobody will know if you don't tell them. Alright, I'm going to try and shimmer this at you while we still have a minute. Those colors are wonderful. I can only get so close without having to move my whole setup. See how I am? I moved it too far. There we go. Alright, gorgeous colors. I hope you come again. You guys inspire me always. Those colors are fantastic. I'm going to have to watch the video back myself to realize what I did. My link tree has everything on it. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, a couple of websites, The Gallerist Society 6, Pixels.com, Fine Art America, it's all there. If you need any links from me, just ask me. I think everything in the world is on the link tree. Alright, I'm distracted and it's dinner time. It's time for me to go. I love you guys. I hope you come again tomorrow. I'll say goodbye for now. Priscilla out. Oh, I'll see you when on. I love you all. Bye.